NACA has been in the forefront of taking on major financial institutions and their predatory lending practices.
Okay, everybody, come on, we're going.
Sir, wait.
Everybody, come on. Come on, everybody, we're going.
They entering private property.
Come on in, everybody, come on in. Bruce Marks.
Confrontational afternoon in and around the governor's office today.
Keep on going, Perry, take the line.
Was not doing the right thing. That sends the wrong message to everybody else.
You have gotten the message.
The U.S. economic downturn has been stunning, and its impact monumental. Precipitated by turmoil in the housing market, the ailing economy continues to wreak havoc on many Americans. With a volatile stock market, businesses in trouble, massive layoffs, and people forced to give up their homes over the next 4 years, 8 million mortgages are expected to go through foreclosure. That's roughly 16% of U.S. households. But the country's largest housing services organization is fighting back. It's standing up for working people by battling mortgage scams. They were the first to expose predatory lending. They used aggressive tactics. And the advocacy group has convinced major financial institutions to provide billions of dollars for NACA's purchase program, a fixed mortgage which can help make you a first-time homeowner. What is this group? It's not a commercial loan company. It's a not-for-profit HUD-certified community advocacy organization, and it has led a revolution in affordable home ownership. NACA's mortgage program has enabled homeowners across America to get affordable loans.
This is not just about home ownership. It's about neighborhood stabilization.
NACA's financial counselors will work with you to help realize your dream of owning a home.
We're always fighting for the homeowners. We don't take no for an answer. We're never going to go away. That we're going to continue to advocate and to fight for the homeowners.
Affordable Housing for All started as a movement within the Boston Hotel Workers Union Local 26. Hotel workers couldn't afford to live where they worked. The union fought for housing assistance and won. President Bush signed a new law allowing union and management to help workers with housing assistance.
When you own a piece of the rock, when you own your neighborhood, you rise up and drive the parasites out because you have that power. We have that power.
We're staying here to meet with you.
No, you're not staying here to meet with me.
Then you're going to have to arrest us.
NACA became the bank's biggest nightmare. The war against fleet was a wake-up call for the country and Congress. NACA attacked predatory lending wherever it reared its ugly head. And major media took notice. The Wall Street Journal even profiled NACA's founder and the company's work. NACA went national and found financial dirt and lending abuse all around the country.
It manufactures some of the most popular cars in America.
Ford, quality is job one.
But there's another side of the Ford Motor Company you may not know about.
Ford is absolutely a loan shark.
Ford is one of the largest money lenders in the country, and workers inside the company say it used aggressive tactics to put people into debt.
We'd say, what a sucker. Cha-ching. We just made the company some money.
They eat you up and they spit you out. That's Ford Motor Company.
In 1999, NACA gets Ford Motor Company to get rid of the associates. Ford sends $100 million to NACA's program. Bank of America kicks in $3 billion. As years go by, NACA's advocacy continues to garner huge gains. In 2000, NACA CEO Bruce Marks warns Congress of a pending financial crisis if Congress permits Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to invest in subprime loans. It falls on deaf ears. In 2002, NACA gets the state of Georgia to pass predatory lending laws. Citigroup commits $3 billion to NACA, and Bank of America invests an additional $3 billion. NACA's lending program is transformed after NACA creates a new software program called NACA Links. NACA expands its offices nationwide. Bruce Marks's financial crisis prediction comes true. Thousands are expected to lose their homes to foreclosure.
What we're going to be talking about today is the reality.
that we have the solution.
That solution? NACA's Save the Dream campaign, a campaign where lenders restructure existing mortgages to keep homeowners in their homes. It's a new fight against predatory lending. Countrywide Financial becomes the target.
They're demanding Countrywide save face and their homes by rewriting mortgages.
Investment bank Bear Stearns was responsible for thousands of bad loans. NACA stormed its Manhattan offices demanding reparations for homeowners.
Okay, so we're staying. We're staying. So let's make sure that they hear us.
Fannie Mae, a government agency that invests in mortgages, was NACA's next target. They called out the CEO.
Come on, come on. We want her! We want her!
Hedge fund manager William Fry's posh home in Greenwich, Connecticut was also hit.
Bill Fry, this guy, he's suing Bank of America. He's suing Bank of America for making the mortgages affordable.
NACA found where Morgan Stanley CEO John Mack lived.
John Mack, he is the CEO of Morgan Stanley. They own Saxon Mortgage, and Saxon Mortgage services hundreds of thousands of mortgages, and they refuse to restructure those mortgages to make them affordable over the long term. I get a call on my cell phone 20 minutes later that we want to work this thing out.
Chase Bank on Wall Street couldn't escape the anger and wrath of NACA homeowners. Ocwen Loans in Florida. They service thousands of mortgages, but NACA knew they helped very few. NACA pushed for a contract to change that.
But we need that contract so that you would be there. Okay? So how do we get that done?
We need to negotiate a contract. Every contract has to be negotiated.
We can do that now.
Okay.
You've got it.
All of these actions have turned into legally binding contracts that enable NACA to save homes for at-risk homeowners. For more than 2 decades, NACA has put thousands of people into their new homes. NACA's mortgage is the best in the nation, and you don't need perfect credit. There's no down payment, no closing costs, no points or fees. NACA created the American Save the Dream Tour as soon as the crisis hit. The event helps thousands of homeowners at once. Meeting with borrowers, counselors help them prepare budgets. NACA software declares how much the homeowner can afford and automatically requests the lender to restructure the loan accordingly. The events attract national attention.
It's a last-ditch effort for hundreds of homeowners on the verge of foreclosure.
More than 1,000 people wait in line downtown in hopes they can save their homes.
Hundreds of thousands of people fighting to keep their homes from foreclosure. It's become a nearly insurmountable challenge.
You can see there are thousands of people. They're expecting tens of thousands of people here to get their mortgages.
Dozens of people are spending the night outside in the cold and rain, hoping to hold on to their homes. This is a lot.
And camped out in order to guarantee their spot in line.
Losing their homes. Thousands pleading with bankers today, hoping to catch a break.
You see people from different walks of life, all in the same predicament.
Across the country are converging on South Florida. They're looking for help to stay in their homes.
Very clear picture of the level of strain and suffering the foreclosure crisis is creating for families. Look no further than Daly City.
For a moment, we are inside the convention center where the NACA...
This could be the last chance of saving the place they live.
This facility is packed with people looking to refinance their mortgage and save.
Wow, Diana, look at that crowd behind you.
It's unbelievable, Michelle. Just take a look around. Look at it. Friday night, what are you doing? Look at what these people are doing, and they will probably
This is just the first stop for what is really a mobile servicing center. Plans are being made to take it on the road across the country.
This is the devastation that these banks have caused. No one should have to be sleeping here overnight, staying 24, 48 hours just to save their homes. And everybody who's tried to work with the banks has failed. And this is the consequence. This is like a war zone, and it's a war zone in America.
Emotions run high at these events as families get approved for new home ownership.
You are doing something we pray for. What you want for yourself, you should want for everybody else. Everybody should have a home.
My children won't have to be uprooted. They can stay right where they've been all their lives. I have 2 children that have known no other home but where I'm at.
NACA not only saves homes.
You don't know what you've done for my kids.
My mortgage payment used to be $2,235, and now they lowered it to $1,309.
It saves lives.
You guys just hold on. There is help and there is hope at the end of the rainbow.